apt-cache names. This command prints the name of each package apt knows. Not necessarily available to download, installable or installed. apt-cache search vs ftpd search performs a full-text search on all available package lists for the POSIX regex pattern given. Cache names vs ftpd. This command find and list down all the packages starting with vs ftpd. apt-cache show netcat show argument performs a function similar to dpkg print avail. It displays the package records for the named packages. apt-cache depends. Psc depends shows a listing of each dependency a package has and all the possible other packages that can fulfill that dependency. apt-cache stats. This stats displays some statistics about the cache in repository. No further arguments required. apt-get update upgrade install. This command update or upgrade or install mentioned packages. apt-get install just upgrade. In order to install the new kernel, you will need to run apt-get just upgrade. apt-get install pag name no upgrade prevent already installed packages from upgrading. apt-get clean to free up the disk space by cleaning retrieved deb packages. Clean clears out the local repository of retrieved package files. apt-get changelog strong swan changelog tries to download the changelog of a package and displays it through Sensible Pager. By default it displays the changelog for the version that is installed. However, you can specify the same. The changelog flag downloads a package changelog and show the package version that is installed. apt-get check. The check command is a diagnostic tool. It used to update package cache and kex for broken dependencies. apt-get auto-clean deletes all deb files from /var/cache/apt/archives to free up significant volume of disk space. apt-get auto-remove if top auto-remove packages that were certainly installed to satisfy dependencies for other packages but they were now no longer required. For example, the following command will remove an installed package with its dependencies.